I'd like to talk about a tool that you can use for not only reflecting back, but of course, for also planning ahead to 2025. This tool, you may have seen it before if you've worked with a coach in the past. This is called the Wheel of Life. Others call it Wheel of Personal Perspective. You can call it many things, whatever you'd like. It's a simple tool, but it's also very versatile. And it helps you to evaluate those key areas in your life. And the way it works is we're taking that wheel and dividing it into categories. And these here that we have listed, if you can see those, and what you want to do is rate your satisfaction on this wheel. So you'd make a little dot. For example, if you're super pleased with your finances, you'd make a little dot on the 10 out there. If you're not at all pleased, you'd make something maybe around the 3. You know, one of my favorite things to do with these categories, is to make even smaller slivers within a category. If you look at health and fitness, for example, I have categories like nutrition, exercise, meditation, therapy, hot and cold therapy, mental health stuff. All, you can create different little categories within. So that's a fun part of this wheel. It's up to you to create how you want to use the wheel.